Right after the macOS Sequoia update, some MacBook Air M3 users are having serious Wi-Fi connection issues. They either cannot connect to specific networks or literally any Wi-Fi networks at all, even though their other devices work fine on the same network. And even if they're connected, there is no internet they can browse, and frequently keep saying this "no internet, try again" error over and over again. So let's go ahead and try to fix this issue. First of all, make sure your MacBook is in the Wi-Fi range of your router. Now, when it happens, just go ahead first restart your Mac, and meanwhile, if possible for you, try to restart your router, like turn it off and on again. And after the restart is done, if it's still not working, now we're gonna open up Settings, from there to Wi-Fi, click on Details, to Proxies, and make sure no proxies and nothing is enabled in this section. After that, press OK. Apart from that, you can go to the DNS section, click on the Add button, and then add Google DNS 8.8.8.8, and then once again 8.8.4.4, and then press OK. Now, if it's still not working, go back to your Wi-Fi to Details and simply forget your current Wi-Fi and reconnect with it once again. If it keeps happening randomly, we recommend you from Settings again. Now go to Network, to Firewall. If Firewall is turned on, go to Options and simply make sure Block All Incoming Connections option is disabled. Your Wi-Fi problem should be solved after that. Just in case if it still comes and goes, now just hold down to your Option button and then click on your Wi-Fi icon. From this drop-down menu, go to Open Wireless Diagnostics. Press Continue. This will run an automatic diagnostic and let you know if there is a problem. And these are the ways that you can try to solve the Wi-Fi issue on your MacBook Air M3. Thanks for watching.